What's up, everybody? It's Darren Gully Cook from Cook's Catapults and Miscellaneous Debris. All right, so down here in the bamboo forest, which is beautiful and calm, and taking a look at the bag from Tuff Possum Shackelton. If you want to know more of the details about this bag, you should just go to their website and look them up, or some other videos. But for now, it's really, what's in this bag? What brings the adventure down here to the creek in the bamboo forest? Well, oh my goodness. Googly eye just fell off. Oh man. Oh well. That's what happens when you have googly eyes. All right, now let's see what's in this awesomeness bag. All right, so not only did I get this from Jay Berry as a gift from Tuff Possum, but I was also gifted this, which is pretty sweet. So my friend over at Creek Camper YouTube channel, and we met him a few times at Georgia Bushcraft. But this year he ran into Sarah and I, and he was like, I got something for you. So he made this bag, and he's got a little leather emblem there with his logo, and he also made this cutting board, which fits right here, handily in the front pocket. But he gifted me this cool pan. It's awesome. And I'm always going through my gear and like picking out stuff to take places. And when he gifted me this, I'm like, it blew me away. And I'm like, thank you. That's exactly what I needed. So on his channel, Creek_camper, and I'll leave the link below. He's always down at his creek cooking up some victuals and coffee. But I won't do coffee, but Spam is usually on his menu, jalapeno, something, you know. And I'm like, never had Spam. Never wanted to have Spam. There's nothing I want out of Spam. But since he gifted me this, I did go buy a can of Spam, and I have a jalapeno and this awesome tomato that we grew. It's the last one of the season. Even though Spam's already cooked, we don't need to cook it, but I'm going to cook it up in this frying pan, and I'm going to use something else that I've never used. These, this little deal with these fuel tablets. Supposedly we just light a few, put them in here, we can put the pan, voila, or we can just eat it just like it is. Man, we don't even need to heat up anything. All right, so we're going to use this cutting board that I got from Creek Camper and cut up some jalapenos before we get the fire going, because I got a feeling it's going to be pretty hot. Ooh, that looks like a good mini. And our tomato. Ooh, look at that. So awesome. All right, got the fire going. Let's put in some butter. Because who doesn't like butter? Oh, okay. Ooh, now look at that. Already cooking up fairly quick. Who needs to cook tomatoes, but, well, you know. Oh, this is so awesome. Now, the magic sauce. Or, I don't know what, let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, what am I got myself into? Oh, yeah, that's amazing. What the heck is this? It's like cat food. Couple slices. Well, those tablets definitely heat up pretty dang quick. Well, might as well cook it all since we're here. A little bit of dirt never hurt nobody. Maybe some sticks. Look at that. All that goodness. All right, to spice things up, we're gonna use this Wadobo from the Wooded Beardsman. It's the maple version of the Wadobo. Sensitive fall. Oh, it's clumpy. This is the weather. It's all right. Ooh, we'll just sprinkle some. Oh, smells good. Okay, all right. All right, it's done. First of all, big shout out to Jay Berry at Tuff Possum Gear. Y'all go check him out. Make some beautiful stuff. Beautiful family. And Creek Camper for this awesome skillet, and being an awesome person as well. So here we go. It's my maiden voyage eating Spam, cooked here at the creek in the bamboo forest. Okay. Get a jalapeno. I'm gonna have to say, whoa, the jalapeno's hot. Little tomato grew. Whew. That actually was not bad. Maybe it's because cooked it in the woods in a bamboo forest. Kind of probably helps, but wow, this is pretty good. Anyway, thank y'all for hanging out. It's really good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And go on adventures. Man, look at that. And so, since we had a great meal with our slingshot fork and all the things involved, let's shoot our slingshot. And don't forget to get outside and be awesome. Whew. Okay. Jalapenos are hot.